Hey guys, another decent hunt. Didn't go out there for very long, but got a laser pointer. It's missing its batteries. I used to have a laser pointer, and it worked until I dropped it. So this one does not work. I didn't even have to dig for it. It was just right on top of the soil there. Got another dime, 2000. Got a rusty old penny, don't know the date. Got a helicopter. It's die-cast metal. If anybody could help me with who made these, because it does not have a trademark on it. It's the top view. It's missing one rotor. There's the bottom view. Like I said, if there's anybody who can tell me that it is very heavy, and it looks like it's from the Desert Storm area. It is a toy, although it could be a collectible. It's pretty mangled though, the tail's not that good. But pretty decent hunt. I'm about to go for a better hunt, hopefully. So I got a helicopter, dime and penny, so that's 11 cents, and a laser pointer. Again, thanks for watching.